In number system, so the remainder based problems, so these type of questions, how to use the shortcut method, I'll explain. Before that, let me show you one question and the normal process, then I'll explain the shortcut. Is easy to understand. Now question is, a number when divided by 57 leaves the remainder 28. If the same number divided by 19, what will be the remainder? Okay, one number is divided by 57, 28 remainder in the first case. The same numbers divided by 19, what is the remainder? So if you use the normal method, for example, let x is the number. If it is divided by 57, then quotient is k you take and remainder is 28. Okay, first method is divided by 57, remainder is 28. Now according to this method, just if you take the pattern, x is equals to, this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? So 57 into k plus 28. Now x is the number. Now same number, it's divided by 19. So then 57 plus 28 is divided by 19. That means from this, if you write the step, separate the denominator. Okay, this is 57k. So 57k divided by 19 plus 28 divided by 19. So 19 times 3. Okay, so this is the 3k plus 28 plus 28 divided by 19. Now this 28 divided by 19 remainder. 19 times 19, 9 as the remainder. So 9 is the answer. We have to do, this is the process. So we suppose take division and divide by this one. Finally how much you're getting, that is the remainder. So what will be remainder is 9. Now instead of this way, if you use the simple technique, the method is first statement remainder you take. First statement remainder you can take and divide with next statement divisor 19. 28 divided by 19 you do it. So 19 times 1 is 19. Then you can do subtract. So 9. 9 is the remainder. So same pattern you are getting. So you observe this situation, you get the same. So first one statement remainder divided by second statement divisor. So 9 is the answer. So this is the remainder. Okay, let me show you one more, two more examples with in case the statements are given in different way. Okay, I'll show two other examples. A number is when divided by 72 leaves the remainder 22. Okay, 22 is remainder. If thrice the same number, 3 times the same number is divided by 12, what will be remainder? Now according to this, so if you use the shortcut method, we supposed to take 22 this divided by 12, but next is thrice the number. That means you supposed to take 22 multiply with 3, thrice the same number, so 66. Now you can take this 66 and divide with 12. Divide by this divisor, 12 times, okay, table, 12 5s 60 and 6 is the remainder. So this is answer. Remainder. So 6 is answer for this question because thrice the same number. So into 3, take the first statement remainder, multiply, if it is thrice means multiply with 3, twice means multiply with 2, but divide with again the second statement divisor. Next, one more example. Okay, this one is observed. A number when divided by 84 leaves the remainder 5. 5 is the remainder, no? Take that 5. But second statement is square of the same number. So you're supposed to take 5 square. That is equals to 25. Now take this 25 which is divided by 14. So take it as 14 and do division. Now 14 times 1 is 14. Then subtract. So 11. So answer is 11. What will remain now? So 11 is answer for this. Okay, so this is the short technique to apply this what will be the remainder cases sums.